Dear students, so in this class now let us discuss about our first module, that is first order ordinary differential equation. So what is a differential equation? We know that differential equation means an equation involving differential coefficients or derivatives. Differential coefficient means dy by dx. This is a differential coefficient. Or dz by dx or dy by d theta, etc., which are known as the differential coefficients or derivatives. So consider a function y equals f of x. Here x is said to be the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. X is the independent variable and y be the dependent variable. Then an equation which involving a differential coefficient or derivative is called a differential equation, and the solution of a differential equation, or we can solve a differential equation by integrating it. Why? Because the integral and differential are the reverse operations. So how to solve a differential equation? A differential equation can be solved by integrating it, and an integral equation can be solved by differentiating the same. Okay. So what is an ordinary differential equation? Ordinary differential equation means a differential equation involving a single independent variable and hence an ordinary derivative is called an ordinary differential equation. Ordinary derivative and a single independent variable. So for means dy by dx equals tan x. Consider this is a differential equation. Dy by dx equals tan x. This is a first order differential equation. This is a first order ordinary differential equation. Why? What is an order of a differential equation? We know that the order of a differential equation is nothing but the highest order which presents in order of the highest derivatives which presents in it. Means it is dy by dx equals tan x. So this is a first order differential equation or first order differential equation. Why? Because the order of the highest derivative presence in this equation is 1, so it is a first order differential equation. Suppose consider another differential equation, d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx plus sin x equals 0. Consider this differential equation. So what about the order of the differential equation? Here the order of the highest derivative presence in this differential equation is 2, so it is a second order differential equation. So in this chapter or in this session, we discuss about only a first order differential equation. So dy by dx equals tan x is nothing but a first order differential equation. So what is a first order ordinary differential equation? Okay. Now the solution of an ordinary differential equation. How to solve an ordinary differential equation? So first is variable separable form, or it is a separable form. Separable equations. Separable equations. What is a separable equation? Separable equation means you consider a differential equation. It is g of y into dy by dx equals f of x. Consider this. This is a differential equation. Why? Because it consists of a differential coefficient or derivatives. Means the presence of the coefficient, differential coefficient is there. G of y into dy by dx equals f of x is nothing but a differential equation. What about its order? Order is 1. So it's a first order ordinary differential equation. Why? Because there is only one independent variable, x itself. Okay, here y be the dependent variable. So how to solve this differential equation? We know that in order to solve a differential equation, we have to differentiate it. In order to solve a differential equation, we have to integrate it. In order to solve an integral equation, we have to differentiate. In order to solve a differential equation, we have to integrate. So you can integrate on integration or integrate with respect to x. What you get? It is integral g of y into dy by dx into dx equals integral f of x dx plus an integrating constant c. So that means it is integral g of y dy equals integral f of x dx plus integrating constant c. So this is a variable separable form. Means a differential equation, or it's a variable separable form, means here g of y dy equals f of x dx. That is a variable separable form. Okay, so this equation is called, or the g of y into dy by dx equals f of x is called an equation with the separable variables or separable equation, because the variables x and y are separated, so that the terms involving x and y are appears only on the right and left side respectively. So this is a variable separable form. Then you can integrate, or so you can solve this variable separable or separable equation by using these arguments. Okay. So consider, for an example, consider an equation. Solve x log x into y dash. X log x into y dash equals y. Consider or solve this differential equation. X log x into y dash equals y. Is it a first order differential equation? Sure. Is it an ordinary differential equation? Ordinary, sure. So it's a first order ordinary differential equation. So the easiest method to solve a first order differential equation is nothing but first convert it into the variable separable form. So here the given equation is x into x log x into dy by dx equals y. Then you can convert it into variable separable form by this conversion, by using this way. That is, bring this y to the right side, left side, that is dy by y equals, and bring x log x into 1 by dx to the right side, so it is dx by x into log x. This is a variable separable form. Why? Because the variables x and y, this is the variables x and y are separated, so that the terms involving x and involving y are both right and left side only. Okay, so this is a variable separable form. Then how to solve it? Then you can integrate. So on integration, what do you get? On integration, it is integral dy by y equals integral dx by x log x plus integrating constant c. So what is the integral of dy by y? 1 by y dy means it is log y. Log y equals integral 1 by x dx. Sorry, integral 1 by x log x dx. How to integrate this one? By putting a substitution, put log x equals some t. After the substitution, take the differentiation, so it is 1 by x dx equals dt. Okay, so therefore this equation becomes integral 1 by x log x dx, integral 1 by x dx. What is 1 by x dx? It is dt by, what is log x? T. So integral dt by t means it is log t. But what is t? T is log x, so it is log of log x. Okay, so it is log y equals log of log x plus constant c. For convenience, it is taken as log c. So that means it is log y equals, it is log x of the right side is of the form log a plus log b. It is log ab, that is log of c into log x. Taking anti-log on both sides. Taking anti-log on both sides, then we have y equals c log x. So this is the solution of the given differential equation x log x into y dash equals y. So y equals c log x will be the solution of this. Okay, where c is an arbitrary constant. You can find out the c when the given equation is n, or the given differential equation is n, or the given problem is an initial value problem. If the initial condition is given, by using that condition you can identify what is the arbitrary constant c here. Okay. Then you can consider another one. Consider solve y dash equals 1 plus x into 1 plus y square. Say first order differential equation, first order ordinary differential equation. How to solve this one? You can first convert it into the variable separable form. How? That means dy by dx equals 1 plus x into 1 plus y square. So that means it is dy by 1 plus y square equals 1 plus x into dx. So it's a variable separable form. Why? Because the variables x and y are separated. The variables x and y are separated, so that the terms involving x and y are appears only on the right and only on the left sides. Okay. So this is a variable separable form. Then on integration. On integration, what you get? You can integrate. For solution, you can integrate this one. So it is integral 1 by 1 plus y square dy. 1 by 1 plus y square dy equals integral 1 plus x dx plus integrating constant c. What is integral of 1 by 1 plus y square? It is tan inverse y. So tan inverse y equals integral of 1 plus x. Integral of 1 means x plus integral of x means x square by 2 with respect to x plus c. So that means what is y? Therefore y equals tan x plus x square by 2 plus c be the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Now consider how to solve the differential equation with the initial conditions. So consider solve given another consider this problem. Solve this 2xy dash minus 3y equals 0. It is given that y1 equals 4. So this problem is known as an initial value problem, IVP. This is known as an initial value problem, means IVP. So it is given, the condition is y1 equals 4. y1 equals 4 means it is when x equals 1, corresponding y value is 4. This is the meaning. y1 equals 4 implies when x equals 1, corresponding y value is 4. Okay. So this initial condition is used to find out the value of the arbitrary constant c. How to solve this one? Here we know that it is given 2x into dy by dx equals 3y. So that means it is dy by, yes, bring this y to the left side, right, left side. So dy by y equals dx by, yes, it is dy by 3y equals dx by 2x. So which is a variable separable form. Okay, or dy by y equals 3 by 2 into dx, whatever way. So it is 1 by 3, 1, so it's a variable separable form. So on integration, what do you get? On integration, then integral 1 by 3 into integral 1 by y dy equals 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x dx plus integrating constant c. That means 1 by 3 into, it is log y equals 1 by 2 into log x plus log c. Okay. Or that means 2 log y on cross multiplication. 2 log y equals 3 log x plus log c. Okay. So why? Because 3 log c or log c, that is nothing but a constant. 2 log y means it is a log y square equals log x cube plus log c. So that means log y square is, it is of the form log a plus log b, that is log ab, log cx cube. Taking antilog on both sides, that means y square equals cx cube or y square equals cx cube. Okay. Now, the initial condition is given with a y1 equals 4. So, this condition is given for identifying what is c. Now, when y is given, when x equals 1, y equals 4. What do you get? y1 equals 4 means when x equals 1, y equals 4. So, this implies y equals 4 means 4 square equals c into x cube. X means 1. So, that means c equals 4 square means 60. Okay. Therefore, this equation 1 gives y square equals 16x cube. That means y equals, it is 4x power 3 by 2. So this is the required solution for this initial value problem. Okay. So consider another equation. Solve ay dash minus b minus, ay dash equals b minus ky with a y not equals 0, such that y not equals 0. Y not equals 0 means when x equals 0, corresponding y value is 0. Y not equals 0 means when x equals 0, the corresponding y value is 0. Ay dash equals b minus ky. How to solve it? This is a into y dash. What is y dash? dy by dx equals b minus ky. So that means it is a by b minus ky into dy equals dx. So which is a variable separable form. Okay. The variables are separated. Then on integration we have integral a into integral 1 by b minus ky dy equals integral dx plus integrating constant c. Okay, so that means it is minus, or it is, sorry, it is, yes, on integration it is minus a by k into log modulus of b minus ky equals log x plus c. Log x plus log c. Here what is or log x plus c, or not log x. It is integral dx, it is x, so it is x plus c. Sorry. Why this one? Integral of 1 by b minus ky is log of b minus ky. Why? Because if you differentiate this log of k minus ky, what is the log derivative of log b minus ky? What is the derivative of log b minus ky? It is 1 by b minus ky into, okay, derivative of b 0, derivative of minus ky is with respect to y is minus k. So there is a, in order to eliminate this minus k, you can introduce a minus k here. So it is minus a by k into log b minus ky equals x plus c. Okay. Then, but it is given when x equals 0, corresponding y value is 0. So what do you get? This, when y not equals 0 gives, it is minus a by k into log, when y equals 0, x equals 0. So it is log b equals x equals 0 means c. X equals 0. So it is c equals minus a by k log b. Y equals 0. Therefore, if you apply this value of c in this equation, what you get? we have it is minus a by k into log of modulus of b minus ky equals x plus c. What is c? It is again minus a by k into log b. Okay. So minus, that means, so it can be rearranged as minus a by k into log b minus ky equals x plus minus a by k into x plus or x plus minus a by k into log b. Okay, that means bring this minus a by k log b to the right side. So it is minus a by k into, what means it is log b minus ky minus log b. Okay, minus log b equals x. Agree? That means minus a by k into, it is of the form log a minus log b, that is log a by b, means that is log b minus ky by b equals x. Because log a minus log b equals log a by b. That implies minus a by k into log, it is 1 minus k by b into y equals x. Minus a by k into log 1 minus k by b equals x. So that means it is log 1 minus k by b into y equals, it is minus kx by e. Therefore, this implies 1 minus k by or ky by b equals e power minus kx by e by taking anti-log on both sides. Agreed? So from here, what is y? Therefore, y equals b by k into 1 minus of e power minus kx by e. So this is the solution of given initial value problem. So this is the method to find out the solution of a ordinary first order ordinary differential equation. So the initial condition, when the initial condition is given, by using that condition we can identify the value of the arbitrary constant c here. Okay, thank you.